So you said the box is a little small, but
yeah,
you got them inverted, so you got at least the optimal space. Ooh, little smell there. Awesome.
Yeah,
I appreciate the demo. You're hammering it hard, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Awesome.
What's up, man?
How you doing? You watched my videos, I'm guessing?
Yeah,
Okay.
I was saying, I saw you around here yesterday.
Yes, sir.
And I was like, damn.
Yes, sir. Very nice. Could you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
My name's Connor, and I've got two SVR 15s from Scar, and I'm running it off a RP 2K.
Okay. And what are you wired to on that?
Just 1 ohm.
1 ohm? Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any extra battery or alternator yet?
So I upgraded my regular lead acid battery to an excess power battery, and then I bought a Power Bastards alternator.
Okay.
And I've got that.
Awesome. All right. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. It's good. And you got them inverted? Yeah. Is it a custom box or prefab? Or?
Yeah, I built that. This is like my first actual home built system.
Okay.
The box is a little small for the subs. It's around like 3.5.
Okay.
3.5 cubic.
What is it port tune to on it?
I want to say probably like upper 30s.
Okay. Is there a way I can see the back? See how the box is and all?
Absolutely.
Awesome. And the amp. Woo. Very nice. So you said the box is a little small, but
yeah,
you got them inverted, so you got at least the optimal space. Where's the port at?
The port's right down here.
Oh, okay.
I originally had it backfiring, but I just put the box on its back.
Yes, sir. It's right there. Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet. And you said it was around 3 cubes?
Yeah, 3.5.
Okay. I like it though. What kind of carpet is it? It's pretty sweet.
Yeah, I just picked it up at Home Depot, put
Looks
some outdoor adhesive in it. It sticks on real nice.
Very nice.
Oh yeah.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We got a Connor system he was showcasing at the Jacksonville, Florida Summer Showcase show. Really impressed to see how loud these got. Got really good 4-minute demo footage of some sub flex, outside flex, and inside flex. His windshield was actually flexing a good bit too. 2 Scar SVR 15s. If you haven't already, check out the links in the description. I try to include all the details of the kind of system. This is a really good banger budget system. Shout out to everybody that has budget systems out there. Really looking forward to showing you all how it sounds. Notice how he has them inverted since the box is on the small end. Having subwoofers inverted is always best to do 90% of the time if your box is too small. Usually it works best inverting them if you want better cooling. You see the motors, and it's easier to wire up as well. These subs are rated at 800 watts RMS. Got it straight from the Scar site. So pretty cool to see how these got pretty low end response too in this box. Of course, it was a little on the small end, so it didn't play below like 28 hertz during the demo you're going to see. But his port was down there in the bottom left corner area, or as I should say, the right area. Not really the most optimal spot for a port, but it got the job done, and it was his first custom box. So shout out to him for building a custom box instead of having things prefab. So if you haven't already, hit that like button and comment. Let him know what you like about his system, as well as stay tuned. This demo's coming now. 2,000 watt system on 2 15-inch budget Scar 15-inch subs. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already for daily videos coming your way every day on YouTube, JacobViral. Check me out on my social media sites as well, and enjoy this bass demo. Okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man.
Got the ads.
Looks good.
We just got back from the hotel, so
that's all good. Were you here yesterday too?
Yeah.
It was pretty busy. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Glad I got to meet you.
I want y'all to take a step into my world. Jelly, take him to the trap house, homie. You see the flow straight nitro, Jelly won't psycho. I've been known to make him save money like that. Every time I drop a mixtape, they say it's ice cold. I've been known
Yeah,
I appreciate the demo. You're
yeah.
hammering it hard, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you for the demo, man.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate the demo. What was your name?
Connor.
Connor. Jacob.
Nice.
Thanks for watching, man. You're welcome. Thank you for showing me.
Yeah.